好，咁第二個 factors 咧係會影響嗰個 chemical equilibrium 嘅咧，就係咧一個嘅 pressure 嘅改變啦。pressure 改變係會影響 equilibrium。咁假設咧而家咧我哋咧係有個 equilibrium system 啦，就係 N2O4 同埋一個嘅 NO2 咧，就係呢個 reaction 啦。咁 N2O4 咧就係一個嘅 colourless 嘅 gas 啦，但係 NO2 大家知道啦係 brown in colour 嘅。好啦，假設而家咧我係將本身個 system 啦係應該係 equilibrium 咗噶啦，然後咧我 increase pressure。increase pressure 係咩意思咧？其實如果大家知道啦，本身個 volume 咁多嘅，如果我縮細呢個 volume，咁啲粒子個 pressure 咪 increase 咗，咁其實就係咁嘅意思啦。即係 pressure increase 嘅時候咧，個 volume 咧應該 decrease 咗嘅，OK，從而去 increase 個 pressure 嘅。咁所以咧，當個 pressure increase 嘅時候，when pressure increase，the volume of the system will decrease。好啦，如果 volume of system 會 decrease 嘅時候，通常個 equilibrium 係點樣變咧？即係高壓咗啦，所以佢會希望啲粒子冇咁多喺個 system 入邊啦。咁點解冇咁多啊？當你高壓嘅時候，右手邊 product side 你咪一兩粒嘅 nitrogen dioxide 啊。但係如果佢做 reaction 係變 backward reaction 嗰陣時候咧，reactant 咧得一粒啫嘛。咁而家空間唔係好多啊嘛，咁所以想減少一粒子喺個空間入邊啦。咁 that's why 咧個 equilibrium 會點啊？個 equilibrium 就會 shift 去左手邊啦，因為呢個係1:2 ，reactant side has a fewer number of mole of gas， 所以你 stay 啦。因為 reactant side 咧有少啲 number of mole of gas 啦，所以 the equilibrium 會 shift to the left to counteract the change， 去抵消翻嗰個 pressure 嘅變化，就係將個 equilibrium shift 去左手邊，令到多啲 N2O4 form 出嚟，咪少啲嘅 NO2 啲粒子咪可以即係唔會咁擁擠咯。OK，所以 that's why 咧會 expect 咧嗰個嘅。會多啲嘅呢個嘅 N2O4 咧係會 form 出嚟㗎。That's why 咧成個嘅 system 咧，你會見到個 brown colour 咧會點啊？become pale， 因為會多咗呢個 N2O4 form 出嚟㗎。So the brown colour of the reaction mixture will become pale。咁又係啦。呢一個咧就係成個解釋啦 pressure 嘅變化啦，咁然後後邊就係個 equilibrium position 嘅變化啦，最尾係講翻有邊啲嘢會 form 多咗 form 少咗，咁然後最尾呢個就 observation 啦。咁呢一句咧係重要嘅，呢一句成日都考嘅，就係點樣解釋 pressure increase 嘅時候佢會 shift 去邊面，就你寫 reactant side 或者 product side 啦，有 fewer number of moles of gas，so the equilibrium will shift to the direction that has fewer number of gas，就係咧呢個嘅 left hand side 嗰邊啦。好啦，咁如果講咗呢個 increase pressure 之後咧，我哋睇一睇下邊呢度兩個嘅圖啦。咁呢個就係 increase pressure of the reaction system 啦。咁我哋先 label 翻嗰個嘅 axis 先啦。咁y axis 係個 concentration 啦，個單位係 mole per dm cube 啦。然後嗰個 x-axis 就係 time 啦，就係 seconds 啦。好，咁假設一開始咧 N2O4 同埋 NO2 咧 concentration 喺度啦，已經有個 equilibrium 啦。但係如果突然之間 increase pressure 嘅時候，有咩事發生啊？就係其實嗰個 volume 會點啊？個 volume of the system 會 decrease 啦。咁你會 expect 會有咩變化咧？有啲同學咧即刻有個 equilibrium shift 啦，就會因為佢會 shift to the left 啊嘛。咁即係會有多啲嘅 N2O4 出嚟啦，咁然後咧即刻咧就畫條線喺 N2O4 就會多咗啦，然後 NO2 咧就會少咗啦咁樣，咁然後就應該2:1咁樣啦，咁但係就錯嘅，點解錯啊？因為你見到個 volume decrease 咗啊，如果 volume decrease 咗代表乜嘢啊？代表個 concentration 會點啊？變咗啊？volume 細咗，個 number of moles of gas 一開始係唔會變噶嘛呢個位置，所以你會 expect 咧 concentration 一開始咧呢兩個咧都會突然之間升上去，因為個 volume 突然之間細咗、壓縮咗嘅時候，個 concentration 嗰一刻啊係應該會升咗嘅，兩者都會。我哋兩者都升咗嘅時候，升完之後啦，佢會點樣 shift 個 equilibrium 啊？會 shift to the left 啊嘛，就會 form 多啲嘅 N2O4 啊。所以你要 expect 咧 N2O4 呢個位置咧係會 form 多咗，同一時間咧 NO2 係會少咗嘅。OK，咁然後呢兩個嘅比例係點啊？應該1:2咯。我 N2O4 升咗1嘅時候，咁啊 NO2 咧就會跌咗2噶啦。OK，因為呢個嘅 ratio 啊，1:2呢個 ratio。咁呢個就係 increasing pressure 嘅時候咧，佢個 concentration 咧慢慢個變化啦。然後你會 expect 咧最尾去 attain 翻個 equilibrium，你計翻個 Kc 咧，呢度嘅 Kc 同呢度嘅 Kc 咧應該點啊？應該一樣嘅，因為點解啊？Kc 係唔會變㗎呢個位置。Kc 咧係 remains unchanged 嘅，都係唔該你寫低 Kc 係 remain unchanged 嘅。Kc 幾時先會變啊？就係 temperature 變化嘅時候佢先會變嘅。Kc，OK，永遠記住 pressure， 我改變 pressure 我好多都好，最尾咧佢 attain 翻個 equilibrium 呢個 concentration 咧塞翻落去計個 Kc 咧，同呢一度咧應該係一樣嘅。OK， 好啦，咁講完 increasing pressure 啦，講 decreasing pressure 啦。decreasing pressure 會點啊？咁假設如果 pressure decrease 嘅話，即係讀個 volume 係點啊 ？volume 係即刻會大咗啦 ，volume of the system will increase。咁所以就多啲空間啦，咁就會希望容納多啲嘅 particles 啦。好啦，所以邊邊多啲 particles 啊？就係因為 product side has a greater number of moles of gas。OK，product side has a greater number of moles of gas，so the equilibrium will shift to the right 去 counteract 呢個嘅 change 嘅。to counteract the change， 去到右手邊咪多啲嘅 particle 去即係佔個空間咯。That's why 咧會 expect 咧多啲嘅 NO2 咧係會 form 嘅。咁多啲 NO2 form 嘅時候，咁會變得乜嘢？個顏色咧 the brown colour of the reaction mixture will become deeper。OK，the brown colour 會 become deeper 嘅，會深色咗嘅。好，咁呢個其實就調翻轉啫嘛，將個 pressure 調翻轉。咁其實個答案嗰個解釋咧，其實都係調翻轉嘅啫。OK， 好啦，咁如果 decreasing pressure 嘅時候咧，我點樣畫呢個 graph 咧？又係啦，一樣啦，個 y-axis 呢個位置咧，應該咧係有 concentration 啦。然後咧 x-axis 咧就會係個 time 啦。好啦，又假設你一開始個 concentration 咁多啦，咁即係喺 equilibrium 嘅情況下，如果突然之間 decrease 個 pressure 嘅時候，拉大咗個 volume，所以個 concentration 一開始會點變啊？應該兩者咧都會跌落去先嘅，因為個 volume 大咗啊嘛。OK， 咁啊，所以個 concentration 應該都會跌咗啦。好啦，跌完之後個 equilibrium 咪 shift to the right 啊嘛。shift to the right 嘅話，即係 form 多咗 NO2 啦，然後 N2O4 個 concentration 跌咗啦。好啦，咁所以 expect 咧 N2O4 咧呢個 concentration 會跌落去嘅。OK， 會跌落去嘅。然後 NO2 呢個位置會點啊？呢個位置應該會升上嚟嘅，就係因為會 form 多咗。好，然後最尾個比例係點啊？呢個位置就應該一啦。然後藍色呢個位置就係 NO2 咧，升嘅幅度咧就係2啦。咁呢度就係講晒呢兩個 scenario， 個 pressure 升同跌嘅時候有啲乜嘢嘅變化喺個 equilibrium 入邊。我補充多一點啊，其實呢度嘅升幅同呢個跌幅咧，呢個位置咧唔係亂畫嘅。OK，雖然 DSE 我覺得唔會考到咁難啦，其實係需要計數嘅呢個位置。係啦，咁如果考呢個時候個題目應該俾啲 hints 你，究竟佢跌嘅幅度係幾多啊？應該要計翻一個新嘅，你個 volume 跌咗嘅時候，或者 volume 升咗嘅時候，個 concentration 嘅變化一開始嗰個位置係要計少少數嘅。OK。咁但係咪一定會有個 equilibrium position 嘅變化咧？當嗰個 pressure 去做改變嘅時候，其實唔係㗎，唔係㗎。咁然後大家就可以睇下邊呢個 case 啊。下邊呢個 case 同上邊個 case 有咩分別咧？你望一望呢度左手邊嘅 number of mole 同右手邊嘅 number of mole 咧係唔一樣嘅。呢邊一，呢邊二。但係睇一睇呢一條 equation，呢度1加1，呢度係2，兩邊。如果你睇翻個 number of mole of gas 嗰個概念嘅時候咧，兩邊都應該係而家有2 mole 嘅一個 gas 嚟嘅。所以當你 increase pressure 同埋 decrease pressure 有得好咧，佢係唔會影響個 equilibrium position 嘅 shift 嘅。咁所以咧就講翻咧 ，because there is no change in the number of mole of gas during the course of the reaction， 喺 reaction 入邊 reactant side 同埋 product side 佢哋嘅 number of mole 咧係應該一樣嘅。咁所以咧。轉變個 pressure change in pressure no effects on the position of equilibrium。當你 increase pressure 又好 decrease pressure 都好，唔會影響個 equilibrium 㗎。OK， 當佢 increase 嗰個 pressure 嘅時候咧，當你 increase 個 pressure 嘅時候咧，呢度同你講乜嘢 ？Rate of both forward and backward reaction 咧會 increase by the same extent 嘅。好啦，首先咁點解 pressure increase 嘅時候，佢個 rate 咧兩邊都會升咧？就係因為 pressure increase 咗嘅時候，個 volume 跌咗啦。OK，volume 細咗嘅時候，啲 particle 咪黐埋咗啊，黐埋咗咪有多啲機會撞埋一齊咯。所以兩個嘅 rate 咧都會上升嘅，然後上升嘅幅度咧應該一樣，所以係唔會影響成個 equilibrium 嘅。OK， 咁同一時間啦，個 pressure 如果大家都跌嘅時候，咁點咧？Rate of forward and backward reaction 咧，佢都會一同去 decrease 嘅，兩者都會 decrease，因為嗰個 volume 大咗嘛，個 rate 咪會跌咗咯。OK， 佢呢個係我哋37課學嘅嘢，係啦，咁啊 pressure 係影響嗰個 rate of reaction 噶嘛，都會好咁啊。呢度就講翻啦，兩個圖啦，去畫翻啦。Increasing pressure 同 decreasing pressure 會點樣影響 concentration 啦？咁首先啦，又係啦，個 y-axis 同埋 x-axis 咧就寫翻先。 好，咁呢條 graph 咧，我就咁用呢個 HI 做一個 example 啦。咁啊，HI 嗰個變化會點啊？一開始如果我呢個位置係一個 increase pressure 嘅改變，that's why 咧你會 expect 咧 HI 呢個 concentration 咧 increase 完 pressure 之後咧係會升上嚟嘅。而升上嚟之後佢會冇變化，就應該係冇變化嘅。源自於就係因為冇個 equilibrium 嘅 position 嘅 shift 啊嘛。咁 that's why 咧呢個位置咧係唔會有變化。increase pressure 就令到佢個 volume 跌咗啦，volume 跌咗，所以你個 concentration 就升咗啦。OK，咁然後圍住平就因為冇一個 equilibrium 嘅變化，no change in the equilibrium position。好，咁啊，假設另外呢邊咧，如果 decrease pressure 嘅，其實就點啊？其實就調轉咯。咁假設呢個位置一係啦。Initial concentration of HI 喺呢度嘅，如果個 decrease pressure 又代表乜嘢啊？代表佢嗰個嘅 volume 係會大咗啦。咁 that's why 咧個 concentration 咧就會細咗啦。細完之後咧，最尾咧呢個位置就係應該咧係一個嘅 unchanged concentration，因為冇 equilibrium 嘅變化。OK，咁佢就會即刻咧 establish 喺呢一點咧，亦都係一個 equilibrium 嚟嘅。OK，咁呢度咧就講晒咧。兩種嘅 scenario，咁呢個 scenario 咧就係兩邊 reactant side 同埋 product side 咧係兩邊唔同 number of mole of gas 啦。That's why 咧轉換 pressure 咧係會有個 equilibrium position 嘅 shift 啦，但係下邊咧兩邊冇嘅時候咧就冇個 equilibrium position 嘅 shift 啦。OK，好，咁呢度就講咗咧 pressure 係點樣影響個 equilibrium 啦。